Today, we're diving into how you can lose weight naturally without sticking to a restrictive diet. If you're tired of the dieting roller coaster and looking for sustainable ways to manage your weight, you're in the right place. Have you ever felt frustrated with diet plans that just don't work in the long run? Let me know in the comments below. Ditch the diet. 9 ways to lose weight naturally. First off, natural weight loss is all about making holistic changes to your lifestyle, not just what you eat. It's about creating a balance that works for your body and your life. Number 1, hydration is key. Water is vital in the symphony of life, ensuring our health and vitality by orchestrating our bodily functions. More than just quenching thirst, proper hydration boosts physical and mental well-being, fueling metabolism for efficient energy conversion. Beyond water, electrolytes like sodium and potassium are crucial, supporting muscle function and cell health. A proactive approach to hydration includes carrying a water bottle, enjoying fruits or herbs-infused water, and consuming electrolyte-rich foods. This regimen not only prevents dehydration, but enhances overall health, energy, and weight management. Recognizing the essential role of water and electrolytes, incorporating them into our daily lives, empowers our bodies to thrive. Hydration is the key to a healthier, more vibrant existence. Number 2, eat whole foods. Choosing whole foods over processed options lays a foundation for wellness, offering essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. These nutrients support digestion, weight management, and stabilize blood sugar levels, contributing to sustained energy. Whole foods, in their natural state, lack the unhealthy fats and added sugars found in processed foods, promoting overall well-being and vitality. Embracing whole foods is a lifestyle decision that enhances health, guiding us toward a more vibrant life by providing the building blocks our bodies need to thrive. Number 3, get moving. Movement transforms our well-being, urging us to integrate physical activity into our day joyfully. It's about embracing activities that bring personal joy, such as walking, dancing, or yoga, with consistency. Regular movement goes beyond weight loss, boosting mood with endorphins, strengthening the heart, muscles, and reducing chronic disease risks. It also elevates energy levels, enhancing productivity. Incorporating exercise into our daily life unlocks health benefits, making it a part of our identity. Let's commit to get moving, choose activities that bring joy, and recognize how regular movement profoundly enriches our lives, beyond just physical health. Number 4, sleep matters. Sleep is a cornerstone of health, vital for hormone regulation, weight management, and energy renewal. Quality sleep balances hunger and satiety hormones, ghrelin and leptin, aiding in mindful eating. It also maintains insulin sensitivity, preventing blood sugar fluctuations that lead to unhealthy snacking. Beyond hormonal balance, adequate sleep recharges energy, promoting physical activity engagement. Emphasizing sleep's role in health is not just about rest. It's about nurturing a foundation for a healthy lifestyle. By ensuring quality sleep, we support our body's natural processes, enhancing overall well-being and proving sleep matters in our holistic health journey. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Number 5, mindful eating. Mindful eating transforms meals into moments of awareness, urging us to appreciate food's journey and its sensory details, which enhances satisfaction from smaller portions. This practice encourages us to eat intentionally, without distractions, focusing on the present to recognize fullness, aiding digestion, and preventing overeating. It turns eating into an act of joy, fostering a deeper connection with our meals and promoting health. By adopting mindful eating, we make every meal a step towards a healthier lifestyle, emphasizing the importance of being present and appreciative of our food, leading to better health outcomes and a more enjoyable eating experience. Number 6, reduce stress. In today's fast-paced environment, stress is ubiquitous, significantly affecting our health. It's essential to recognize the critical role of stress management in maintaining well-being. Stress triggers cortisol release, leading to increased hunger and unhealthy cravings, which can result in weight gain. This highlights the importance of controlling stress to keep a healthy weight. Techniques like deep breathing, meditation, yoga, and regular exercise are effective in reducing stress levels and cortisol production, thus preventing stress-induced weight gain. Incorporating relaxation and mindfulness into daily life can combat stress's negative impact on health. Activities that promote joy and calm are vital in breaking the stress cycle. Prioritizing stress management through these practices not only addresses immediate challenges, but also contributes to a healthier, balanced future. Number 7. Portion control. Portion control is crucial for a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle, focusing on moderation and mindfulness to avoid overeating while ensuring nutrient intake. It involves understanding food amounts, allowing enjoyment of various foods without deprivation. Visual cues, like equating a meat serving to a deck of cards and vegetables to a baseball, help gauge proper sizes and prevent overeating. Using smaller dishware can make us feel fuller with less food, reducing excess calorie intake. Reading nutrition labels carefully enables informed eating decisions, and eating slowly enhances satisfaction, aiding in recognizing fullness. These methods are key to mastering portion control, ensuring meal enjoyment, and maintaining health without feeling limited. Portion control emphasizes smart, balanced eating choices for overall well-being. Number 8. Limit sugar and refined carbs. Reducing sugar and refined carbs is crucial for health improvement, impacting weight and overall well-being significantly. These substances quickly raise blood sugar and insulin levels, causing fat storage and increasing cravings, which complicates weight management. Their consumption is linked to a higher risk of type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and metabolic disorders. Adopting healthier alternatives doesn't mean deprivation, but choosing nutrient-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, which offer fiber, vitamins, and minerals, aiding in energy maintenance and satiety. Including protein and healthy fats in meals helps stabilize blood sugar, preventing energy dips. Number 9. Add strength training. Strength training, often overshadowed by cardio, is vital for metabolism and health, boosting metabolic rate and aiding weight loss through increased muscle mass. To incorporate it into your fitness regimen, begin with realistic goals and a tailored plan. Start with basic exercises like squats, lunges, push-ups, and planks, emphasizing proper form and gradually upping intensity. Compound exercises targeting multiple muscle groups enhance efficiency and outcomes. Integrate at least 2 to 3 weekly sessions into your schedule, with each lasting 20 to 30 minutes to accommodate even the busiest lifestyles. Remember the importance of rest and recovery for muscle repair and growth. In essence, strength training is key for enhancing metabolism, aiding weight loss, and overall health improvement. With commitment, consistency, and the right approach, it offers significant benefits, helping achieve fitness objectives. Adopting a sustainable weight loss approach is key, but have you considered foods that also boost immunity? Ever wondered which foods can help you slim down while fortifying your defenses against illness? Stay tuned to discover how to enhance your diet for a healthier you. It's not only about shedding pounds, it's about strengthening your health. Can you guess which superfoods we'll discuss?